So hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about interview questions and answers for manual testers. So I am going to discuss 10 interview questions in this video. Let's go by one. What is the first interview question? What is SDLC? So the SDLC is nothing but software development lifecycle. So software development lifecycle is nothing but it is a process where it starts from collecting requirement is nothing but requirement gathering. Once the requirement gathering is done, we will be doing high level designs. High level designs are done by product architects or an application architect. Then it will be done the low level designs which will be done by developers. So once the low level designs are done, then coding will be kicked off. Coding will be done by developers again. Once the coding is done, the testing will start, which will be done by testing team. Once the testing is done, it will go to the product management. It will go to product management to perform acceptance testing, where finally the product management to perform acceptance testing to accept the functionality or not, and finally it will get signed up to the clients. So this is the overall process is called as a software development life cycle. There are various software development life cycle is available, such as I can name it what are the various SDLC. If I wanted to call, then I can call few waterfall model. Then we have V and V model. This is verification and validation model. So we have incremental incremental model is there. We have spiral model. We have agile model. So these are the some of the common SDLC models available at this moment. The most probably everybody uses either waterfall model, V and V model, and agile model in any of the testing project. But very hot in the market at this moment is agile testing model. This is a hottest software development lifecycle which is being used currently in the market. I hope you understood what is SDLC and what are the various types of SDLC. Then let's move on to understand what is. So third question would be, can you tell me what are the testing types which are commonly used across all the projects. So this is another important interview question will be asked for you in the interview. What are the different testing types which are there are various, if I name it, there are hundreds of testing types are available, but in this question they are just asking what is a very important testing type which normally being used in the across all the testing project. One testing type is unit testing. This is one type of question. Sorry, this is one type of testing. This is a unit testing. This is done by the development team. Basically, unit testing will be done to test the module level or the component level which they implement by the developers. Then we have API testing. So API testing is nothing but so this will be testing at the interface level. Interface level. So once modules are get ready, then one module to another module, there will be an integration happens at the code level. That is where when the integration happens at the code level, that is where the API testing will come into picture, where they pass the parameters, and just to see whatever the parameters we pass as the appropriate performance has been done and it has been returned to the requested module, whether it returns right information to the requested module. So the entire interface testing is called as API testing. This is the second important types of testing available in the software testing. So then third is integration testing. This is the third type of testing type is integration testing, which is very important testing, which is done at as which is block box testing. The first two type of testing, unit testing and API testing, is purely an white box testing. The interface integration testing is block box testing. And once the integration testing is done, so we'll have to perform system testing or functional testing. So this is the another testing which we are going to test it as a block box testing, just to see everything works as expected. Whatever the features which are implemented is really works as expected at the system level or at the functional level. This is the important fourth type of software testing. Then if you are talking about fifth one is acceptance testing. This is also one of the important element in the testing type. This will be done by the product management. This will be done by product management who test the application as per the client or end user perspective. Then they'll sign off client or end user perspective. Once this is the testing is done, testers once this test once acceptance testing is done, it will get signed off to the appropriate. Once this acceptance testing is done, it will be signed off for client usage. So this is all about the 5 important testing types which are commonly used across the testing project. I hope you understood these third interrogation questions.